Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Before connecting, confirm Netbeans and JDK versions are compatible on your system. Install the appropriate JDBC driver for your database, for example, MySQL connector/j. Ensure your database server runs on localhost with port 3306 or specified host. Create a database and user, grant privileges, and note the username and password. Know the standard JDBC URL format for MySQL, for example JDBC, MySQL, //localhost 3306/mydb. Write down driver class name com, MySQL, CJ, JDBC, driver for later use in code. Open Netbeans and switch to the Services tab to manage database connections. Right-click Databases and choose New Connection to start the connection wizard. Select the JDBC driver you installed or add the jar via Add Driver. Enter JDBC URL JDBC, MySQL, //localhost 3306/mydb, username, and password, then test connection. If the test succeeds, click Finish and the connection appears under Databases nodes. You can expand tables and run SQL commands directly from Netbeans SQL Editor. Save connection properties in a project library for reuse across projects and teams. In Java code, use class for name to load the driver or rely on service loader. Call driver manager. Get connection with URL JDBC, MySQL, //localhost 3306/mydb, and provide username and password. Use a try with resources block to auto-close connection, statement, and result set objects. Consider connection pooling with Hikari CP or Apache DBCP for performance in production. Handle SQL exceptions, log messages, and avoid printing sensitive credentials to logs. For web apps, configure a data source in your application server and reference via JNDI name. Test database operations with sample queries and unit tests before deploying to production.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.